Join me as I dive into the challenge of healing my joints, skin, and gut by drinking bone broth every day for a week. Can I really feel the benefits? Bone broth has been gaining popularity as a health remedy, and for good reason. It's been touted as a miracle worker for joint health, skin issues, and even gut problems. But what makes it so special, and is it really worth the hype? Today, we're going to dive into the amazing benefits of bone broth and explore how it can transform your health from the inside out. Let's face it, many of us struggle with joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Whether it's from a sports injury, arthritis, or just plain old wear and tear, it can be debilitating and affect every aspect of our lives. And when it comes to skin issues, we've all been there, dealing with acne, dryness, and sensitivity that can be frustrating and embarrassing. And then there are digestive issues, from bloating and cramps to constipation and diarrhea. It's no wonder we're all searching for solutions to these common problems. These issues can be incredibly frustrating, and it's easy to feel like we've tried everything to no avail. We've popped pills, slathered on creams, and changed our diets, but still, the problems persist. It's disheartening, to say the least. But what if I told you there's a natural, delicious, and easy to incorporate solution that can make a real difference? Have you ever stopped to think about the nutritional deficiencies that might be contributing to these issues? What if I told you that the answer lies in a steaming hot cup of bone broth? Rich in collagen, amino acids, and essential minerals, bone broth is the ultimate superfood for healing joints, skin, and gut. And it's not just some fleeting trend, the science is backing up the benefits. Collagen, for example, is the building block of healthy skin, hair, and nails. It's what gives our skin its elasticity and firmness, and when we're deficient in it, we start to see the signs of aging. And when it comes to joints, collagen is essential for maintaining healthy tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue. By drinking bone broth, we're giving our bodies the tools it needs to rebuild and repair. Amino acids are another key component of bone broth. These protein building blocks are essential for every function in the body, from digestion to immune function. And let's not forget the minerals, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus are all essential for healthy bone density and function. When we're deficient in these minerals, we start to see problems arise. I can speak personally to the transformative power of bone broth. I started incorporating it into my daily routine a few months ago, and the difference has been remarkable. My joint pain has almost disappeared, my skin is clearer and more radiant, and my digestion is smoother than ever. It's been a game changer for me, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. But don't just take my word for it, the science is backing up the benefits of bone broth. From reducing inflammation to improving skin elasticity, the advantages of incorporating bone broth into your daily routine are numerous. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to do. Simply drink a cup of bone broth a day, and watch as your health transforms from the inside out. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take control of your health and start healing your joints, skin, and gut. Bone broth is the answer, and I'm so excited to have shared its benefits with you today. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you've tried bone broth or have questions about how to incorporate it into your daily routine, be sure to comment below. And if you're new here, consider checking out my other video on healthy eating habits that will change your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.